Hi friends, hope you are doing great. Today we are going to see this friends. What is AI? Okay, we are going to see this theory part only, friends. Okay. So what is AI? AI, it's artificial intelligence. It is a technology, friends. Okay, it is a technology that enables computers to learn, think, and make decisions like humans. Okay, artificial. In another terms, I could say artificial intelligence. It's a broad field of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence, friends. So this is known as the artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence basically it's a human intelligence, friends. Okay, simple. Okay, so AI in our daily life. So AI is everywhere we are using it, friends. We are using ChatGPT, and you can see the self-driving cars. It is abroad. They are using it, right? Self-driving car, you say, and Netflix movie recommendations, Siri and Google assistants. So these are the AI we are using in our day-to-day activities. I mean, daily life, friends. Okay, AI in our daily life. AI is everywhere nowadays, friends. Okay, so then. Next is how AI works. So data. Okay. First is data. Then AI learns the patterns from the data. Then it will make the predictions. Okay. Then next finally it will give the results from smart results it will give. So why the AI very very important, friends? Why AI matters? So these are the benefits we could say, friends. It helps make better decisions, and it is improving the accuracy, and it will be saving the time also, friends. Okay, for example, in normal manual efforts, if we are taking 3 days, if you are using some automation AI related, then it is taking 30 minutes only, friends. Nowadays, that is what saves time, and it is automating the repetitive task, friends. Okay, so these are the benefits we could say about the AI, friends. So please watch, friends. Okay, going forward we are going to see the AI concepts only. Okay, please subscribe my YouTube channel so that it will motivate me to upload more videos about the Google Cloud with AI related, friends. Okay, we are going to use GCP along with artificial intelligence stuff, friends. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.